Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your trusted source for expert home and garden insights. Today, we're stepping outside to focus on a crucial element often overlooked in outdoor spaces: the outdoor wall decor ideas for your patio. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. A well-chosen piece can transform a simple patio into an extension of your home, reflecting your personal style and creating an inviting atmosphere. Let's begin by defining what we mean by outdoor wall decor for a patio. It encompasses any decorative element affixed to the walls surrounding your patio space. Unlike purely functional items like lighting fixtures, wall decor serves an aesthetic purpose, enhancing the visual appeal of the area. It adds character, texture, and visual interest, turning a plain wall into a focal point. It can range from artwork and sculptures to mirrors, planters, and even repurposed architectural elements. The key is to select pieces that complement the overall design of your outdoor space and withstand the elements. Now, why should you consider adding wall decor to your patio? The benefits are numerous. First and foremost, it enhances the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. A bare wall can feel cold and uninviting, while a well-chosen piece of decor adds warmth, personality, and visual interest. It can create a sense of enclosure and privacy, making the patio feel more like an outdoor room. It also provides an opportunity to express your personal style, extending the design aesthetic of your home into the outdoor environment. Finally, strategically placed decor can help define different zones within a larger patio area, creating distinct spaces for dining, lounging, or conversation. Next, let's discuss how to effectively decorate your patio with wall decor. Consider the scale and proportion of the pieces in relation to the wall space. A small piece on a large wall will look lost, while an oversized piece on a small wall can feel overwhelming. Think about the style of your home and patio, and choose decor that complements it. If you have a modern home, sleek metal or abstract art may be suitable. For a more traditional home, consider wrought iron or classic sculptures. The material is also crucial. Outdoor decor needs to withstand the elements, so choose weather-resistant materials like treated wood, metal, resin, or stone. Consider the sightlines from inside your home. What will you see when you look out a window onto the patio? This can help you determine the best placement for your wall decor. Finally, let's explore some specific items that work well for outdoor wall decor. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best outdoor wall decor ideas for patio. 1. Open plan living with indoor-outdoor flow. Seamlessly connect indoor and outdoor spaces with large sliding doors and open plan layouts. 2. Thatched roofing with modern lines. Combine traditional thatched roofs with clean, modern lines for a striking contrast. 3. Natural stone cladding and pathways. Use natural stone for exterior walls and pathways to create a rustic and organic feel. 4. Lush tropical gardens and water features. Incorporate lush gardens with tropical plants, water features, and ponds for a tranquil atmosphere. 5. Bamboo accents and structures. Use bamboo for fences, screens, and even structural elements for a sustainable and visually appealing touch. 6. Intricate wood carvings and details. Add hand-carved wooden details to doors, windows, and furniture for a touch of Balinese artistry. 7. Infinity pools overlooking lush landscapes. Create a sense of luxury with an infinity pool that blends seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. 8. Outdoor bale, gazebo, for relaxation. Include a traditional Balinese bale, gazebo, for outdoor relaxation and contemplation. 9. Neutral color palettes with natural accents. Use a neutral color palette with natural wood and stone accents for a calming and sophisticated look. 10. Modern lighting fixtures with traditional elements. Combine modern lighting fixtures with traditional Balinese elements for a unique and stylish ambience. When selecting your decor, remember to consider the overall aesthetic you want to achieve and choose pieces that complement each other. Don't overcrowd the walls, less is often more. Allow each piece to breathe and make a statement. By carefully considering the elements we've discussed today, you can transform your patio into a stylish and inviting outdoor retreat. Remember, the key is to choose pieces that reflect your personal style, complement the existing design, and withstand the elements. We hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert tips and inspiration on creating beautiful and functional spaces, both indoors and out. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite outdoor wall decor ideas. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.